Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the capture card model and required ports so you avoid compatibility surprises. Once you have the card, install the manufacturer driver or app. This ensures stable streaming and correct resolution options. Connect HDMI cable to the source device and the capture card and plug the card into a USB 3.0 port on your PC. Make sure power settings won't suspend USB. This initial alignment prevents common detection issues and gets you ready to configure software. You now open your capture software, OBS or the supplied app, and add a new video capture source to receive the card feed. Once added, select the capture card as both the video and audio device, then choose resolution and frame rate, 720p/1080p at 30 or 60 FPS depending on performance. Make sure color space and buffering options match your source, and disable any overlays on the source device that can block HDMI signal. This ensures clean sync. You should run a short test recording and watch for audio lag or dropped frames. This confirms that settings are correct before a full session. If you see issues, lower bitrate or resolution, adjust keyframe interval, and tweak audio levels so dialogue and game audio are balanced. Once satisfied, save your scene collection and recording path. If something still fails, reset HDMI and USB cables, update drivers or firmware, and try another USB port. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.